Look how loud it is. As soon as you put it in contact with the fridge, total different sound. All right, today we got some new twist. This is actually a magnet. Looks like an old classic radio. And this is a transistor radio lookalike, but it has a kick in it. It's a USB plug to charge it, and it has Bluetooth built in. So the way it works, you just pretty much turn it on through here. The system comes on, and you hear some beeping noise. It sounds like it's trying to make a connection. It's trying to find a signal right now, and when it starts blinking, it means it found the signal. So to turn it off, if you guys can see the lights, beautiful. At night, they look really beautiful. So if you want to play some music around your house, you can put these magnets anywhere and play them pretty much from any location. So I'm going to turn it off now, and we are going to sync it up to a phone. And this is the volume control, right? You volume control in here. To charge it, it's going to be in the back right here on this side. This has a magnet, so you could charge it. You could set it up at any refrigerator or any magnetic area that you want to set this up. If you're at work in your shop, perfect. You don't have to. It's not a loud, super loud speaker, but it's loud enough to hear your music, and it's very soothing if you like classical music. If you want to put it near you, really good device. You could even set this up in your car while you're driving, or you could set it up at your job if you're going to take it with you. And it's very portable. It fits in the palm of my hand. Really nice little speakers. Powerful. And they gave me two different colors. We're going to take a look at the two different colors. All right. This is the other color it came with. It's beautiful color. Green also too. They have multiple colors. Very simple. So this will, it's an acoustic. As soon as you set it up somewhere, super loud. Look at that. Look how loud it is.
It vibrates the phone.
It vibrates the whole thing. Wow. Strong little speaker. Here's one sound. Here's the other one. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.